All right, so we just have one example left, which I'm actually going to go ahead and change this question just so that we have every type of possible outcome for these problems. So I originally had a 20 here, but I'm actually going to go ahead and change that to just a 2 so I can still get my point across. Okay, so step 1 is always look for the GCF. So in this case, there's no variable, and 3 and 2 and 28 don't share factors, but if we ever have a negative out front, we always factor out a negative, always. So I'm going to go ahead and take out that negative, which is going to leave everything else, but it's going to change all those signs. So if I divide every single thing by understood -1, it's going to leave a positive 3x squared, a positive 28x, and a -2. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and list my factors like normal. So I'm going to do 1 and 3 and 2 and 1. So it's super nice, again, when there's only the one set of options. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that negative down and just check out and see what we got. I'm going to do my 2 binomials. Just going to put a 1x and a 3x. And again, you could always just put just x. And usually when I go back, I erase that 1, but you can leave a 1x, it's fine. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a 2 and a 1. Check my inner and my outer products. 2 times 3x is 6x, and 1x times 1 is 1x. Well, can 6x and 1 give me 28? No, that would give me 7 or 5. So I'm going to go ahead and change that and try it again. So 1x and 3x are not going to change. That's the only way to get 3x squared, but now I'm going to just swap those two guys. So I'm going to get a 1 and I'm going to get a 2. Okay, check my inner product, I get 3x. Check my outer product, I get 2x. Is it possible for 3x and 2x to give me 28x? No. So in this case, I tried both options. I tried 2 and 1 and 1 and 2, and that was the entire possibility, so that didn't work. So no matter what I try, these numbers are not going to work. So this guy is kind of prime, but I did factor out that negative. So I was able to go one step, which means I did factor. So I did factor out a negative, but then beyond that, I wasn't able to do anything else. So my final answer actually does end up being this right here. So if you are able to pull out anything, at least that new answer is your final answer if you can't go any further. But you must exhaust all possibilities before you can say that's an answer. So this is often not the answer. Normally we can go through and factor, but if it doesn't work, always check your signs, make sure you've not made a mistake. But if in the end nothing works, then this is your final answer.